I'm literally 2 hours from the house, and this truck talking about it's about to derate on me unless I do a regen. So I looked up some YouTube videos on how to regen. I hope it worked because I was tired. I was trying to get home. So they told me to turn off my truck, and then when I turn it back on, I'm supposed to press the regen button. So we're gonna see if it's gonna work. Let's see if it comes back. Came right back on. I think this new update won't let me flip my screen over no more. There you go. And then the stuff in Spanish. I can't read Spanish, but I know red mean danger. So there go the regen thing. I don't know why it gets so blurry on the screen. So I'm finna press this little regen. We're gonna see if it works. Yep. Who needs a mechanic when you got YouTube? So I think it'll probably take about 30 minutes. That's what, that's what I'm used to, about 30 minutes. So still ain't home yet. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. 2 more hours. Hopefully I can make it.